تست. 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 دان. صباح الخير. تست. صباح الخير شباب. اليوم حنبدأ good morning man. Okay, let me check. Okay. خلنا نبدأ بالجولد. أول شيء نشوفوا المونثلي كاندل لأن هي كيف سكرت. مونثلي كاندل على الجولد سكرت فوق الريزيستنس هذه اللي هي المونثلي تايم فريم. ويعتبر عندنا كلير رينج لغاية الجهة هذه، ولكن حطوا في بالكم الويك هذه، فاحتمالات نشوفوا المنث هذا انه هو يصير في الويك هذه كلها. لو كملنا بولش كسرنا الهاي اكيد. هذا على المونثلي تايم فريم، فنعتبره بولش على المونثلي. خلينا نشوف الويكلي. ويكلي برش بدون توب ويك، هنا فيش توب ويك على الويكلي. في نفس الوقت سكر قاعد يدير في ريتست للجهة هذه. بس مشكلة الويكلي نحن قاعدين، لو تركزوا هنا قاعدين في الليفل كونسوليديشن هذا او الريزيستنس هذا هنا. هذا الويكلي. على الديلي تايم فريم زي ما تكلمت امس ان احنا البايس بولش. Can you make it English? Yeah, just a second. I want to explain it in Arabic and then I will explain it in English, okay? زي ما قلت لكم امس على level السبورت، level السبورت هذا ان هو عندنا هنا كلير رينج، وهذه سكرت بولش، فهذه حتكمل بولش وسوت في previous candle. حاليا احنا الكاندل الديلي هذه بولش، بس تعتبر البايس بولش، يعني قاعدة تسوي في بوتم. as I said right here in the monthly time frame we are bullish because of the fact like we are closing above this range right here, this support and resistance area. So and this previous monthly closed bullish and we have this big wick right here. But the issue with the monthly, we break below this resistance and we start reject from it. So this candle might like made a wick right here and go bearish, but we will see. That's on monthly. And weekly analysis, we have the weekly. We don't have a top wick on weekly, and the weekly candle is bearish, and we are above this area. As you can see right here, price start to reject from here, and we have this. The thing with the weekly, we are closing the previous week closed below this area. So the next week this weekly candle will close after 13 hours. So with the NFP today, because we have NFP, if this candle closed above this area right here, above this resistance, we can say like the next candle will test this highs right here. That's for a weekly time frame. For a daily time frame, as I said yesterday, from my daily bias on the stream, we are bullish because of the fact like we are closing back in the support right here. So we have this whole clear range right here. So I think we are still bullish because the previous day, as you can see right here, respected the low of the previous candle and break the high of the previous candle and made a new high. So we are in a bullish trend. So we have this here resistance and we have here support, and we have high probability today to test this highs. Otherwise, let me explain. Yeah, exactly. We are waiting for candle like this today. I'm anticipate this candle to be today's candle. We might have like a liquidity grab or a deeper liquidity grab, but that's the higher probability, high probability thing will happen, because everything is like the previous information is all bullish. So we will see what we will have today. Of course, if this candle closed above this area, we can say okay, we can next week we can tap this highs, and if we have like ranges after it, we can taste it. So we will see. So today's bias is bullish. We don't want to take any sells, and just in case if we break the previous low, we can take sells after it. So today will be like for bearish fake out. Yesterday, guys, we have faced the bearish fake out on gold before it moved up. So that was I think because the higher time frame bias is bullish all. So we have like in 30 minutes time frame or something like that is fake out. Let's see the 30 minutes. Yeah, yesterday was here. So as you can see right here, we have this support, we close below it. So I think that was a fake out on this support. We have even here a support area. So let's see the 4 hours. 4 hour time frame extremely bearish. So it might be a fake out. For each flip, let's mark the daily flip. We are right now about 30 minutes to the London session. Right here, previous day low. See the 4H, okay. Let's see the 4H. So think here is major level right here. So if the price of 1H candle close below it, we can anticipate the price to continue to test the lows right here based on 4H information. But to take it as a 4H information, we need a 1H to close below, which was here. So that was an opportunity, but the thing, we don't have a top wick right here. So okay, let's mark our support. So if it can do like a retest, for buys I prefer right here, or if this will be like fake out, it might be a fake out. It might be a fake out, guys, because we are the higher time frames bullish. Let's see GBPJPY. Daily is bullish. We respected this support. We have a clear range right here. So with the volume time, we can have candle like this today to test this highs. That's the daily bias. Let's mark our level. That's the day flip. We don't really need it because we are far away from it. For H, we need for H flip. Look at this, guys. For H candle, kind of closed above. Close above right here. But we have here level. So it struggled right here. It's tough right here for H information. But if you see it as like previous information perspective, you would say, okay, we are breaking the highs right here. Let's count how many pips. Okay. See that. Our level will be here based on 1H formation. If we take buy right here, it's not enough range, just 16 pips. That's will be my buy range. Because we have a clear range right here. Look at this. So that will be my buys here. This 1H candle closed above, so we can anticipate it was a fake out. But we will see, guys, because I am like, you see, like the higher time frame was bullish and the structure is bullish, so we have high probability to have a fake out right here. But if it close respected, we will see, guys. So that will be our zone right here. Just a second. That's buy zone, buy range. Let's do it. Salam, bro. If pass for H flip mean bearish, what do you mean, my friend? That's the 4H time frame. What do you mean about it? That's the 4H time frame here. You know something funny, guys? The dates on my streams, it is 2021. Look at this, guys. 2021, I thought it is like 2022 right here, the date. You have to edit it. Twenty 22, my friend. We are on a new year. Done. See the 1 hour. 1 hour was not top work. Guys, did you take any trades today or we are waiting? Good, man. Guys, we have still here 2 subscribers to have 60 subscribers. So go subscribe, guys. I mean, look at this on GJ. I think this, if this 1H candle closed bullish, we can take buys after it. Targeting here and the next range, because of the fact like we are like going to see London Open volume, and with the 1H information. Bro, gold bearish. Let's see. Gold, this candle is bearish. Yes, that is bearish candle. It means sells, yeah. Or what's your question, man? If do you mean like that is a bearish candle? Yes, it is bearish candle. That's a fact, my friend. Do it like based on 1H. No, make it here. That was exactly what I am waiting for, GJ. Yeah, man, because there is clear opportunity, right? It is closing respect in this area. It does not really break it and close below it. It is added this previous 1H, and this candle break the high. So I hope it will close like bullish like that, so we can anticipate the next candle to flies up, my friend, flies up to be millionaires. So if this candle close like this, whoop. So we can say, okay, next candle, we'll test this highs right here and continue up with the volume. We will see. See gold. Actually, gold on 30 minutes just garbage. Look at this fake out right here. And I will go to 1H. Let's check the news, guys. FX calendar, economic. Yeah. So we have a high freaking impact news right here, guys. On euro. Market. It's all in euro, so it might affect the yen. And we are trading pound yen, so you will see, guys. Let's see the effects, forex factory. Non-farm employment change right here. Look at this. What they expect right here, what they expect, expect low interest rate. Okay. The previous one was higher than what they expect. So the actual will be here. Average, let's see. You will see, but I see like there is big gap between those numbers. So we might see like a, you know, guys, I want to see in the market like a good information, like not mixed information. That's that I want on gold to see today. With the pushing market, we can go bullish and close bullish above this area. So we can anticipate like the next week on a Monday will be so easy for us to take buys. Even that, guys, if it close below today, if it break the low and close below, it like we have a good chance to take sells after it, because we have for a fact this clear range. We have after this clear range right here. So we have chances on gold, but the thing is not closing at this ranging area. So we will be like, yeah, it will be tough at this point. We will see, guys. Still 8 minutes right here. Guys, I'm going to bring some water right here and I will come. See gold. Look at the 15 minutes time frame, how would expect the 4H zone right here. Look at this closer right here, this closer, this wicks right here. So you know what I say? If this candle closed below here, so it depends how this candle will close right here. still 5 minutes.
السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام.
إبراهيم، كيف حالك؟ تمام إن شاء الله؟
الحمد لله، كيف حالك؟
تمام الحمد لله.
الحمد لله. شو مسوي؟
والله الحمد لله تمام، ماشي الأمور. كيف أمورك أنت؟ ما شاء الله.
تمام والله.
الحمد لله. أخذت صفقة اليوم؟
نو. انت اخذت؟
لا والله لسه توي. كل السلام.
waiting for London session. مستنيين London session حاليا على الجي بي جي بي واي والجولد. عليكم السلام نوربت. تعرف
أنا كنت مشغل
ها؟
كنت مشغل اللايف فما عاد عرفت
ما
متأخر. إيه
ما متأخر وما على الشاشة التانية، بس ما شفتهمش والله. سمحت.
لا 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 عادي.
تكلمت على الجولد. شوف، هو على الفور اتش. فور اتش عندنا الليفل هذا، عندنا الليفل هذا زي ما تشوف، والليفل هذا على الفور اتش. اوكي. الديلي بايس از بولش. اوكي. وعندنا الديلي بريفيوس لو هنا. ففي حالة ال1 اتش سكرت زي ما تشوف تحت ال4 اتش زون الاولاني اللي هو هدية هنا، سكرت تحته. فلو ال1 اتش هذه قاعدة احترمت الليفل هذا تبع ال4 اتش هذا، نقدر نقول اوكي الديلي حيسوي وك على تحت اكتر، بعدها ممكن ان هو يركب فوق.
بالضبط صح.
شوف ال 15 minute لو سوتنا سيت اب حلو ممكن ناخده منها السل. بس الفكرة في الليفل هذا بس على 30 minutes باين هنا تشوفوا ال 1 hour. 1 hour حي actually حيفيلد يعني ميلت داون لو في فوليوم. شفنا في فوليوم.
صح. وفتح السوق قبل 40 دقيقة، قبل ساعة تقريبا. الحين تفتح سمعت إشعار جديد.
الحين شنو اسمه؟ الحين لندن. look at this. That's before London.
أوه واو.
I hope it close with the top wick. If it closed at the range right here, there is no buys actually because there is no range. باقي 19 ثانية. اوكي فتحت محتاجين توب ويك
على الساعة صح.
حاليا على جي جي. انا كنسلت الصفقة، مش حناخد صفقة. شوف الفوركس، ما راح اخذ الصفقة على الجي جي. نشوف. والله يمكن هي تعتبر كويس، بس في نفس الوقت عندك الليفل هذا على ال 1 اتش حيكون عائق. اوكي see. I will put my order here. I put it based on 15 minutes. Let me see. Right here, my order is here. I put it right here. We are still not breaking this law. Still not activate. Still not activate. My order still not activate right here. Let's add the pip counter. Guys, this trade you can take it, but you should go out in 10 pips. I'm waiting for this 30 minutes candle to close above this potential buys area. That will be. Look at the 4H. فوركس closed above. So ممكن في فرصة بعد الهاي. نشوف. هي حتكون impulsive entry أصلا على الجي جي. Until now the entry is not activate. Let's see. I've seen this scenario a lot at the last time. After it breaks this low, it will flies down. still not activate right here because of the spreads. Stop loss will be about 17-18 pips. And the take profit will be here. Can you see my screen guys؟ تقدروا تشوفوا الشاشة. My cell wasn't activated right here. If it break the high, there is no any cells anymore. still not activated right here because of the spreads. Guys, let me know how much you have spreads. I have right now about two pips spreads. 2 point something, 2.3 pips right now. Still 3 minutes for this 15 minute. Still 2 minutes for 15-minute class.
Ibrahim, did you take that on the break of the lows?
No, it wasn't activate right here.
Yeah, I got in on the break of the lows, but then I closed at B because just the wicks to the left.
You should manage your risk, man.
I did. I closed at B because as it came back up on the 5, I closed.
Good, man. Where did you put your stop loss?
It was above the 15 current high. It was like
Right here.
No. It was like it wicked up here, and the entry was like here.
Yeah.
If it started going down, then
Yeah.
came back up, made stop loss, like I put
Yeah, that's what I was counting right here. I mean, it's just 5.7 pips. In your broker, you will see it just 2 pips, man.
Yeah, nothing. Yeah, it's just because of those wicks, I got scared and I was like, alright, I'm not gonna fuck that.
Yeah. Because I've seen, man, this thing a lot. When we have like this, like a lower wick, and the next candle does not break it, and close bearish in the same direction, and the next candle, it does not matter if it like you break the previous one, as long as it respect the lower one, the stronger one.
Yeah, because it's like what they call it, wasn't it, inside bar or whatever.
Yeah, but
yeah, it's like momentum shift, like.
Yeah, we have seen this from the market a lot, man.
Yeah.
Like to change our situation for bias, we need actually to close for above the 4H zone right here. Bro, I have support in 19. Where do you mean? Just a sec. On 13 minutes time frame. Yeah, 13 minutes. Yeah, right here. Yeah, that's true, because look at even the wicks right here. It's the same level.
Yeah. Do you only trade gold?
I trade GBP, GPY when I see like a good chance. But right here, if you even took it right here, it will hit your break even.
Oh, but we took it on the 15-minute earlier on.
Right here.
No, down below. Next one, down.
Here.
On the flip of that candle, yeah.
Good, man. With the overall bias, right?
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
just because of the counter print, and then we'd form support in the channel, like uptrend, and then we'd form support.
Yeah,
and it was
right
a bit hazy. It was a bit weird because the hourly had closed like at the res to the left. It was like just at the. But then the good thing was it was a wick rejection on the support, also resistance, whatever.
Yeah. That's good opportunity if you take it from here, because you have this clear range right here. Just 30 pip range, but I think there is no reason, because already it happened after this 1H, because it eated more than half of the range. You don't have, just have 12 pips, and if you have like 12 pip range, you cannot take the all 12 pips. So that's the thing. See the hourly? See the 15 minute? We are now actually consolidating. Look at this, close bullish. We'll break the low. See the 30 minutes. To be in a safe side, guys, you can put your stop, sell stop. If it was not activated, you can put it right here. This line, below this line, right here. See the 15 minutes?
Gold now is ranging.
Yeah, that's why I want to delete my sell. I just deleted my sell right here, because for the fact like it is just ranging right. If we took a sell right here, it will be like so big wick, like about 30 pips wick. Keep in mind, guys, we might like don't have anything right here, because like we have NFP and this high impact news and NY, so it might ranging before it. And because we are on first day in a month, so we will see, guys. If this candle, 30 minutes candle, close at this range, we are going to call it اللندن سيشن. We have still 8 minutes right here. We have still 6 minutes right here to this candle to close. See the forex.
Rahim, you don't take any trade yet, yes?
No, I put the order right here, but it was not activated right here
Ah, yeah, I see. So
because
how
of
about the
spreads.
how about an NFB? You will trade it?
NFB, I don't think so. I might trade it with a penny lot, but I don't think so, guys.
It's very good decision to trade it.
It is good.
No, there is not good.
Yeah, it is risky. But
Yeah,
I
it's
think
high risky.
I'm not able to trade it because if TMO they don't make you, they I think cancel your
Yeah.
challenge.
Yes, you will break their rules.
Yeah. Still 4 minutes right here. Guys, anyone trade FTMO here?
For me, I trade MFF.
Yeah, I've got FTMO.
Yeah. What do you think about it?
Yeah, they're good. I've had a good payout from them, so I think they're pretty legit. The spread's good.
Yeah.
I think that and FTMO and MFF are probably the two best ones out there.
MFF, is it my funding?
Yeah, my forex funds.
Yeah.
But yeah, FTMO is really good in the process for getting payouts and all that sort of stuff. It's all quite quick, automated.
Yeah.
And they're just good at paying people out. Like they're not like some of the smaller ones that kind of stuff you around. So I think it's a good company.
I think they don't have a crypto, right?
Crypto payouts or
Yeah.
crypto to trade? What do you?
Yeah, payout.
No. But yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Do you try the which challenge?
200.
200k. What was it? Do you think it is like hard for risk management, or what's the thing make you like helped you a lot to pass the challenge?
Passing versus trading it live is very different, I think. Passing, I personally think you need to almost go a little bit more aggressive. And then I turn the risk down on the live account because there's just a whole other level of there's a whole other level of I guess emotional stuff that kind of comes with trading a funded account. And there's the restrictions in terms of you might have an off couple of days or week or whatever, and you don't want to put yourself in a position where you're really kind of mentally down with them because you're getting close to a drawdown limit or something like that. So I go the path of trading a little bit more aggressively and risking a little bit more through the challenges, and then less on the live account.
Yeah, I get it. So you are risking like 2% per challenge per deal, or
1.5% per trade usually, and then on live I'm only risking 0.5%.
do you mean like 1% in a challenge?
Yeah, in a challenge, 1.5%.
Yeah.
And then on the live account, I'm only risking 0.5%.
Yeah, I get it. So I really like your accent. You're from Britain, right?
No, I'm from Australia.
Yeah, it is like I think it is sounds special.
Yeah, I think gold now, I really wanted it to close down below this bit of support here, which it's obviously not doing. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's in a bit of an average range right now.
Yeah, look at this ugly range, man. It's just ugly, man. Just about 26 pips, just ugly.
Yeah.
Guys, we know that for a fact. We don't trade that this time because we have just in our session, we just still have like 30 minutes. And this 30 minutes just like does not respect the high and the low right here. Yeah, the low right here. So, what? شنو قلت؟
I said look at the GJ.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, GJ came the same line here. I think it was like a 4H flip. Or is it 4H wick?
Yeah, I'm not sure, but there's an opportunity to pull back to reach previous support.
Right here, right? at this level.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure, man. Hi, Ibrahim. You caught that move on GJ this morning? Nope. I did not take any trades today. Just wake up, open the stream, and try to take a trade. That's it. And what do you think, Mohammed, with your trading with the MMF?
Actually, it's my first week on it, and I don't like get an experience in it. But for in general, it's very good things.
Yeah, spreads.
Not bad.
What
Yeah.
about spreads?
When I talk about secrets, I think for gold it's 2.5 pips, 2 pips, sometimes 1.5 pips. So it's
Really?
okay. Yeah, when we talk about something in like a pop firm, it's okay, I think.
Man, my spreads yesterday was an FTMO was 3.2 pips, man.
Oh my God, really?
Just terrible, man.
Yeah,
Oh
but I think,
yeah,
sorry, go.
good.
I was going to say, I think it's the time of the day, because they can both have, they both tend to be around similar sort of spread. It just depends on what's going on in the day. I think they're both very comparable. The one thing that I think is slightly better with FTMO is the customer service side of it, help, all that sort of stuff. I think is much quicker and much
Yeah.
better response. Whereas
Absolutely.
MFF I think is a little bit slow in that regard. But yeah.
Yeah, when we talk about customer service and like something like that, it's absolutely FTMO. It's more professional than MFF.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now, my spread in GJ it's 0.8, and in gold 2.2, 2.0, so 2 pips.
Really?
It's exactly the same as
Yeah.
FTMO, really. Half a pip on GJ right now and 2 pips on 1.5 to 2 pips on gold.
Yeah, for my opinion, actually, in my opinion, when you trade gold in Brookfin, you aim to not 10 pips. I think that the proper pips to aim it to like 8 pips, 7 pips, just like for scalp, yeah, because too much secrets actually.
Same what happened today when I took the GJ deal. Just went to 10 pips, and after it, I put like I see a number of 8 point something pips, and I put it in a break even. And like I have a line right here, like close partials and break even, the level for 10 pips. Like I usually put it to know if we tap it or not. So I tap it on trading view, I put everything on break even and try to close partials, and I didn't close because it just 7.2 pips in my MetaTrader. Just
Oh my God.
yeah. Did you took a 10K account or
For me?
yeah?
No, I'm actually going for a valuation account, 14,000, just like to try
Yeah.
what's going on in this company, you know. Yeah.
They have like 3 challenge, same FTMO. You start with the
Yeah.
yeah. Good
It's
luck, man.
same FTMMO, and also it's cheaper more than FTMMO. Like when you talk about like 10,000 accounts in FTMO, 155, and in MFF it's $84. So we talk about how, you know. But when we talk about 100K, maybe it's the same, because in MFF $500 and in FTMO it's like 540. So like maybe $40, just the difference between it.
Just Google my forex funds.
Yes, my forex funds.
The one below. No, that's FTMO.
No, Brian, the third one, the third. No,
The right here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, they are. This MFF is slightly cheaper, and their first, if you're doing an evaluation, their first stage is only 8%, not 10. So that's nice.
Yes.
And if you finish in profit for the month but don't hit the target and haven't violated any of the rules, they'll extend your challenge for another month. So technically you can actually really get 2 months to get your 8%, which is pretty achievable.
Okay, in FTMO, what if you like if your target is 10% and you have 15%?
Well, you don't need to. Once you get to 10%, that's enough. Like there's no
still
point
out.
taking any more trades.
Absolutely, yes.
If you
Just
like,
get out.
yeah, if you have like more percentage, 12%, or they will pay you
There's
back.
no need to. Nah, well, not for the challenges. There's no need to. Once you've hit 10, that's enough, and then the other days you can just trade 0.01 lots.
Yeah, that's better, man.
I'll be back in a sec. Just got a phone call.
Okay. See that they have a plus 40,000 like happy traders. Are you one of them, Muhammad?
Inshallah, I will be.
Yeah, man. You are a happy trader.
Not yet, actually.
No, you are. Say yourself, I am happy, and you will be happy trader. Trading value monthly. Let's go. 100 different country.
See a goal. There's somewhat filling on each one, or in 30 minutes, actually.
Yeah, so I talked about it might be like a fake out because the daily bias. Okay, but we are still in below the 4H here, 4H support right here. So you might, if you want to take any buys, guys, I think if you wait for to close above this support here or above this support, if you are like a risky trader, wait for this support to close above, and it will be good. Actually, it's very good in 30 minutes if you wait for close. What did you say, Muhammad?
I said, yeah, right.
Yes. Do they have crypto? My forex funds?
I'm not. I don't know, actually.
Yeah. I think when you are like put your stop loss on break even and it hits the break even, you take a minus, right?
Yeah. It depends on your equity, not your balance. Like when you're up in 5% and then the trade going back to break even, you're out. You're minus 5%. So it's something being tricky. You have to know about it. You understand, Brian?
Yeah, so it is depends on one deal.
Yeah, just like when you go up in 5% and the trade going opposite you to break even,
Yeah.
you are minus 5%. And so you are out because your daily drawdown is minus 5%.
Okay, what if it goes like for 10 pips and you secured like half of your percentage and hit your break even? What happened?
It's okay. The important thing it's like don't go for minus 5%.
It means
Like
don't
they-
go for profits for 5%.
No, go for profits, but when you get profit 5%, just secure something. Just like secure half, secure 90% of the trade.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't let it alone, because they depend in your equity, not in your balance.
What does
You have
equity
to
mean?
know about it. Equity is just like when you trade something like you have a 10,000 account, okay?
Yeah.
So when you open the trade and the trade going to opposite you,
Yeah.
see the right in the bottom behind the balance, there's something equity. When it's going to minus, you see it?
Yeah, I see it, equity right here, yeah.
Yeah.
Equity and free margin, yeah.
Yeah, just they depend on your equity.
Yeah.
Like when you get some trade.
Yeah.
In opposite, like you are in 3%, like 300, okay?
Yeah.
They don't see your balance. They see your equity.
Okay.
Yeah, it's something being tricky. You have to know about it.
And you can say it, right? You can see it, I mean.
Yeah, absolutely, yes. So, Brahim, thank you for having us. So I have to go to prepare for Salat Jum'ah. So thank you very much,
done.
Brahim.
تقبل
See
الله,
you
my
later,
friend.
inshallah.
Inshallah, my friend.
وياك, inshallah. Yeah, see you
I
later.
hope you
Thank
pass your
very much.
challenge, man.
Inshallah, together.
Thank you,
we will do it.
man.
You're welcome.
So, right now, guys, there is just nothing here for gold. As I said, if you want to take buys, wait for to close above this range. Okay. You have right here a clear range and enough range, and after it we have this enough range. So take care, guys. I'm going to end the YouTube stream and Zoom stream right here. I'm going to end it. Yeah, thanks for hosting, bro. I am heading into. Thank you, man. And we will see you on Mondays, guys. See you on Mondays. Be here on Mondays, guys. If you have any question, you can DM me on my Instagram or